Are you tired of guessing what time it is for your remote team members? Learn how to show 2 time zones in Google Calendar in under a minute. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the 4 simple steps to enable the secondary time zone. First, we access the Settings gear, then navigate to Time Zone options. First, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, from the left menu, click on Time Zone. Finally, toggle on Display Secondary Time Zone. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.